How's it going, guys? This is another video. I still haven't figured why the display quit working on the this is the Pioneer 800 mk2. I pulled off the slide board, just some screws, bend this tab back. It sits right in here like this. I pulled the board out and checked the connections. Here's where your ribbon cable from the system itself. I checked it for continuity, and there isn't any broken traces. It's all good. The connections here, I've resoldered them. Let me get a light up in here so you can see. Trying to get it. You can see down in there the little connectors. Whenever you clean the system or take the lid off, these connectors can have a heat crawl and just lose their ability to contact. Now I have some lights on the board, but the main display and on the jog wheel itself are not working. Now this is the jog wheel board. What you have is you'll have a wire right here that connects here. You just remove that, lift the board forward like this, and you'll have this wire here, and this wire here connects to this little white thing here. And what you'll do is grab a hold of it and pull it forward, and that allows it to unlock. Now we'll go through testing the board itself and seeing what's the matter. It doesn't have many components on it. It's got a few capacitors, and as you can see, some surface mount fuses, but not much on the board. That can go wrong. We'll just give it a test with a multimeter there, and see if we got bad caps, or see if the we've got one. Let's go to the light. Well, one resistor there and a fuse there. I'll check them and see if that could be the culprit. All the caps on the board look to be in great condition, no leaking. We got some type of resistor there, and we'll just it's kind of hit and miss on this. Some people just replace the board, but I like to figure out exactly what's wrong, and whenever I figure out what's wrong, anybody else that has a problem with the jog wheel itself can find a quick solution. In the bottom of the unit, we have the connector here, which slides back and forth. That's your manipulation of the disc that you're playing, and this is just the power wire.